Hello to all my friends out there. And so I want to mention two things. Okay, about a month ago, my son applied for the bird scooter retrieval business, and he was disgusted because it didn't go right through, but it finally went through. And so today he managed to retrieve 3. So if you want to see them, go on to my Instagram, Rotostone Instagram, and you can see the bird scooters he retrieved. So okay, I have mint tea, and this is hazelnut coffee creamer. This is good. I think I bought it at Dollar Tree for $1. And this combination is very, very delicious. So, okay, you know, we're always coming up with these schemes, money-making schemes. For a while there, you know, I sold stuff at the swap meet. I'm still doing it. I just haven't had a chance to do it. And then I started doing eBay, and my idea was to sell jewelry. You know, my swap meet jewelry. But it evolved, and now I'm selling all kinds of things. But I wanted to tell you guys, I sold my first book. My friend's daughter makes all kinds of money, you know, selling books. And so I thought, well, don't buy too many books. Just buy a few each week and post them and see how it goes. So I think I sold this book for $3.58. So that was pretty good. Whoops. So, some of my followers said that they were retiring. So if you can come up with some kind of a little side job, a yard sale is good every once in a while. And it gets rid of your junk too. A lot of people sell things on Craigslist too. So you might want to consider books. That's the first one I've sold. And so, okay, you guys, consider selling books on eBay. I will start selling them also on Amazon. I think that's a trick. There are several sites where you can sell books. So, and they're cheap to ship to. So, okay, and consider the bird retrieval business. You apply on the phone or online, and the retrieval earns you $5, $10, or $20. And the 3 my son retrieved were 3 $5 scooters. But I told him even $5, $10, $15 a day adds up, you know. And he was telling me you get paid the next day. So that is cool. So, okay, you guys, God bless you all.